Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2013 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, remote keyless entry, ambient lighting, battery saver, body color door handles, fog lamps, perimeter alarm, privacy glass, rear stabilizer bar, traction control. Inside you'll find child safety locks, cargo cover, electrochromic rear view mirror, overhead console, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.